Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you what you need to do if your lower tomato leaves are turning yellow. Here's a clip from the show. One of the things I wanted to show you here is this guy. And if you look at the lower leaves here, let's see, you could probably see them better there. These are starting to turn yellow, and I'm getting a little bit of yellow here. What this is telling me is that the plant is hungry. It's used up all the nutrients in the pot, and it's time for me to feed these. So what I'm going to do when I take them back in is to sprinkle some compost on the bottom or in the dirt here. Just sprinkle some compost and get some more nutrients in these pots. I am keeping these now in my big greenhouse where I have night temperatures that are above freezing. Out here we still could freeze a little bit. So I'm keeping them in a protected place, but they are getting some good light in there, and I will get them fed. So tomatoes are looking good. We're just going to keep these going. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 2. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.